Hi guys, I'm back again with a simple macOS customization on Windows 11 desktop. Welcome to this channel. Let's get straight to it. Now to begin, we head on to the browser. Now we have this drive link which contains some file we'll be using in this video. So I'll be leaving this link in the description. Head on to this download link and click on that. Now if you get this prompt, just click on download anyway. Now the download is complete, we're going to head on to the file directory. Here is the zip file we just downloaded. I'm going to extract this. I'm using WinRAR. I'm going to extract right here. Open up this folder. The first step we're going to take is to set up this My Doc Finder. Highlight on it, right click on it and cut it. Now we're going to isolate this folder. Go right here to this PC. Then click on your local disk. Paste it right here. Proceed to open this folder. Scroll down here a bit and double click on this My Doc. Double click on that. Now I'm going to X on this. I'm going to minimize this. Now we can see this small dock right here, which is obviously not the final result. If you right click on here and select hide taskbar, the taskbar disappears. And if you go back right here, right click on it and select show taskbar. On the contrary, if you want to alternate between this macOS dock and the taskbar, you can go right here and right click on this taskbar, go to taskbar settings. Now if you scroll down here a bit, go to taskbar behaviors. Now you're going to check on this automatically hide taskbar. Just click on that. If I close this, every time the taskbar is on use, it hides automatically. But when you navigate down here, the taskbar reappears. Go back here again, right click on it and go to preferences. Let's scroll down here, go on to advanced. I'm going to scroll down here again. On the dock layout backup, we're going to expand these and we're going to select macOS theme by Tech Doings. Just click on that. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now we can see a more complete macOS dock, but we're not done yet. I'm going to make some changes right here. Go back again to preferences. Go on to appearance. Scroll down here. Under icon theme, we're going to expand this. I'm going to select this OS X 10.9 theme. Okay, click on that. And we can now see this Apple logo on the left side here, which of course is looking much better. Now go ahead to general, scroll down a bit. Under start on boot method, we're going to expand this one. Select start as a service. If you get any notification, click on yes. What happens when you do this is that every time you reboot your computer, this macOS dock automatically starts. So moving on to the next one, we're going to scroll down here a bit. Click on Launchpad. Right here, under choose which icons will be displayed by Launchpad, I'm going to expand this. I'm going to select added icons and start menu and desktop. Click on that. Select OK and select OK. After doing that, go right here and restart dock. After restart, you're likely to get some question mark on these icons. So don't panic about that. We can just remove these ones. Select remove from dock. Just right click on it, remove it. And this is how you remove icons from the dock. After removing unwanted icons from the macOS dock, is a simple way to add icons to it. You can just go ahead to any of these icons on your desktop and just drag it right here. Drag and drop it. And you can change the positions of these icons wherever you want to put it. Okay, proceed to Launchpad. Open up Launchpad. Now you can see vast majority of these apps and you're able to click any of these apps and just get access to it through the Launchpad. Now let me show you how to add any of these apps to this macOS dock for easy access. For instance, if I want to add this Spotify to macOS dock, I'm just going to open this Spotify app. Just click on it. Right click on the Spotify app, go to options, select keep in dock. And now you're able to drag this icon and position it anywhere you want it to be. And even when I exit Spotify, as you can see, the Spotify icon still remains right here on the macOS dock. Now to hide these desktop icons, I'm just going to right click on here, go to view and select show desktop icons. That is all about this macOS dock, and now we'll proceed to change this wallpaper. I'm going to go back to this download folder. We're going to be choosing this wallpaper for this video. Just going to highlight on it, right click on it and set as desktop background. So when I minimize this, now we have this beautiful wallpaper, but obviously we're not done yet. We're going to proceed to the next one right here. Go back to the browser, and this time I'm going to download Rainmeter. Proceed to this download link and click on it. Straight up, double click on the setup. Okay, next, install, finish. After installing Rainmeter, you're going to get these default skins. We're going to remove these. Just right click on it, unload skin. Do the same for everything right here. Unload skin. Now that we have Rainmeter installed, we're going to add Rainmeter skin. Head on back to the folder. Open up RM skins folder. First of all, we're going to install this gravel. Shout out to Apex Sensei for this. Click on that and select install. I'm going to minimize this. We have the setting on the left side here. We're going to drag this one right here. I don't need this one. Just right click on it, unload skin. Right click on this, unload skin. So now we're left with the time and the date. I'm going to reduce this by scrolling on the mouse. Scroll down to your desired size. Okay. We're going to remove these two tiny dots here. Right click on the skin, select edit skin. Scroll all the way down here. Under meter weather info, just highlight on everything here and delete. Go right here to file and select save. X on these, right click on that and refresh skin. Beautiful. Now we can see we don't have these two annoying dots here anymore, which is looking much better. So that will be all about this Rainmeter skin. Proceed to close settings. Here we have this one too. Right click on it, unload skin. This is looking pretty cool already, but we have one more Rainmeter skin to install. Go back to the folder. Now we're going to install this contrast Accra. Shout out to Rabra for this. I'm going to double click on that, select install, minimize this. Alright, so as I speak, you can see some movement going on right here. This is not where we want it to be. I'm going to drag it down here to the center. Whenever you play your music, you're going to get something like this, okay? We're going to make some slight changes right here. Right click on this visualizer and select settings. Bring this down a bit. Under skin variants, we're going to expand this and change to small info display. Click on that. Under show lines, I'm going to select no, okay? Now we can position this slightly to the middle here. Doing this step, I advise you play some music on your computer so you can actually see the visualizer while you're adjusting it. After doing that, just proceed to close settings. I am not satisfied with this color right here. We're going to change that, and to do that, we're going to navigate down here and going to expand this. Now select this Rainmeter icon right here. This is gravel. We're going to expand gravel right here. Go to the settings, expand the settings, click on settings, select load. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to select font color. Just click on that. I'm going to change R to 117. I'm going to change G to 16. B 163 and select OK. Alright, this is looking pretty cool. Now it matches well with what we have going down here. I'm going to close these settings. How do I remove this macOS dock if I don't want it? Now I'm going to show you how to remove macOS dock. Go on to your preferences. Under general, we're going to scroll down here. Going to expand this. Change to don't start on boot. Alright. After doing that, restart your computer. Then go back to your local disk and delete my dock finder. That is all you have to do to remove macOS dock from your computer. And for the rest of it, just uninstall Rainmeter. That is all you have to do to remove everything from your computer. So that will be all for now, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, subscribe to this channel. Leave this video a like and drop your comments at the comment section. Have a nice day and peace out.